Good morning, students. How are you? Hope you all are fine. I am also fine, students. Okay, shall we come back to our lesson? That partnership accounts. We have completed that interest on capital. Okay, so the next calculation, that calculation of interest on drawings. Okay, here that drawings, we know what is that partners sometimes they may withdraw money from their business for their personal purpose. Okay, here it is a usual practice. They may withdraw maybe at regular intervals. Okay, or they may withdraw fixed amount. Okay, so we have to charge interest, that is an income for the business. So how to that calculate the interest on drawings as per the amount or the amount of drawings and the date of drawings, it will vary. Okay, two methods available, direct method or product method. Okay, direct method means the amount of drawings into rate of interest into period of interest. Okay, so here as usual, that like capital, opening capital amount into rate of interest into period. Okay, for additional capital. So here that date is also a must. We have to calculate the number of months. Okay, the formula is interest on drawings is equal to amount of drawings, total amount of drawings of the year. Okay, amount of drawings into rate of interest. Okay, rate of interest by 100 into month. Okay, period of interest, that is called rate of interest into period of interest. Otherwise we can write period of interest. Okay, that's all the simple method, that is the direct method. Direct method only we are going to do the problems. Okay, so we have to go little faster. Okay, then only we can complete the portion. Okay, interest of drawings, interest on drawings is equal to amount of drawings into rate of interest into period of interest. Okay, so here on that illustration given, I will show that one. See, Velan partner to 20,000 on 1st April he is withdrawing. Interest on drawings charged 10%. Then pass journal entries also. Opposite of the interest on capital. Interest on capital is what? An expense. But here it is an income. So we should credit this interest on drawings. Okay, there we have debited interest on capital. Partners capital account credited. Okay, or current account credited. Here partners capital or current account will be debited, interest on capital will be credited, interest on drawings will be credited. Okay, then this one will be transferred to the profit and loss appropriation account. So first calculation of interest on drawings, amount of drawings into rate of interest into period of interest. Amount of drawings 20,000, rate 10 by 100, month 1st April to 31st December, 9 months into 12. Okay, then journal entry, balance capital account data to interest on drawings account. Then bracket interest on drawings charged. Okay, then interest on drawings account data to profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, since you have the book, you can refer that one. Okay, so we will do the exercise. Exercise 11. Okay, 11 we will do. So take your book. So what is the calculation? First calculate interest on drawings. So formula we will write. Interest on drawings is equal to amount of drawings into rate of interest into period of interest. Okay, amount of drawings how much? 30,000. Rate of interest 6 by 100. Period 1st September. The month, that year is closing on 31st December. Okay, so September, October, November, December, 4 months. 2 0, then 6 1, here 2, here 2 1, here 4 2. Okay, so 300 into 2, 600. Okay, interest on drawings we have calculated. Now the journal entry we have to prepare. Journal entries. Okay. First, partners, which method they are following. Either partners capital account or current account we have to decide, isn't it? Here they have given, show the journal entries by assuming that fluctuating capital method. So, only capital account. So, who are the partners? So, only one partner, money, isn't it? So, money is capital account debtor. 2. Interest on drawings. Account. Interest on drawings charged. They are provided, here charged we have to write. How much? 600. Now this one should be transferred to profit and loss appropriation account. So profit and loss account, appropriation account must be credited. Okay, this should be debited. Interest on drawings account debtor to profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, interest on drawings closed. Okay, 600. Since it is an income, we should credit the profit and loss appropriation account. Okay. Next, the next method I will explain. Okay. Here, only one date is given in the first problem. Now you see different dates, the different amounts they have given. Okay. So for each one we have to calculate and we have to add. That's all. Nothing difficult. Okay. For each date we have to calculate. On February 1. Okay. From February 1 to December we have to calculate. Calculate the amount of interest on drawings. Okay. Here we have calculated one date. Here 4 dates you are calculating. That's all. Very simple. Number 2. Calculation of interest on drawings. Okay. First, on February 1. Okay, 2000 into, first we can write the formula also. Okay, interest on drawings is equal to amount of drawings into rate of drawings into period of period of drawings. 2000 into, how much is the date? Rate 6 by 100 into period we have to calculate. Okay, so from February, so only January is left, so 11 by 12. Okay, 2062, then again 2, here 10 into 11, 110. Okay, we have to add everything, so you write in the same, the last amount column you can write. Okay, then on May 1, how much? 10,000. 6 by 100 into May, how many months? January, February, March, April. 4. 12 minus 4, 8. 8 by 12. 2, 0. 6. Here 2. Here 4. So 100 into 4, 400. Okay. Then on July 1. How much? 4000 into 6 by 100 into, for July 6, isn't it? June, up to June 6 months. So from July onward 6. 2, here 2, 0, here 1, here 3. Okay, 4 3s are 12, 120. Then on October 1, 6000 into 6 by 100 into October, November, December. So 3 months, 3 by 12. Okay, here 6, 1, here 2. Then again 2, 3 is 30. 30 into 3, 90. That's all. We have to add. Okay, add and write. 0. 11 plus 1, 12. Balance 1, 2, 6, 7. 720 rupees. Okay, total interest on drawings of Santosh. Okay, we can write like this. Okay, very simple method. Then 13th one. See, here, this one also same method. Okay, here rate 6, different date. Calculate the amount of drawings. Okay, same thing only. We will do in a fresh page. Then only we can easily add. Or we will do here itself. Okay, 4th date only. 13. Interest on drawings. Of Kumar. Okay, on March 1. How much? 4000 into rate 6 by 100 into the same thing from March onwards, 10 months. January, February we have to leave. So 10 months. Okay, by 12. 6, 2, so 2, 5. 40 into 5, 200. Okay, then June 1. 4000. June, 7 months. Okay. Here 6, here 2, here 2, 20. 20 into 7, 140. Okay. Then September 1. Same amount, 4000. September, October, November, December. 4 months. Okay, 1, 4, here 3. Then 3, here 1, here 2. 40 into 2, 80. Then December 1. 4000. Very easy, but you have to do carefully. Okay, December only 1 month. 6, 1, here 2. Then 2, so 20. Add 10, 14, balance 1, 3 plus 1, 4. 440. Okay, total interest on drawings of Kumar. Rupees. Simple. Okay, 13 we have completed. Now the last one, that is very easy. Matthew is a partner who withdrew 20,000 during the year. interest on drawing at 10%. Calculate interest on drawings on 31st December. Here they have not given the date of drawing. Okay, so what we have to do? There what we did, average period we have calculated, isn't it? So again, you have to write the formula. Interest on drawings. Okay, amount into rate into period. Here amount is 20,000. Rate given 10 by 100. Period not given, so average 6 by 12 we have to take. That's all. Okay, this one you have to remember. Period of drawing is not given, we have to take average period. 2 0, 1 0 and 1 0. Here 1, here 2. This 2 and this. Okay, so rupees 1000. Easy one. Okay, for 2 marks they can ask. Okay, students, only thing you have to remember the period, average period. Okay, if they have not given the date of drawings. If they have given, we can calculate the month. Otherwise 6 by 2. Okay, have you understood these 4 problems? Okay, then the next method I will teach you next day, product method. Okay, this one direct method. Okay, directly we are calculating. What is the formula? Amount of drawings into rate of interest into period of interest. That's all. Okay, students, very easy one. So you watch the video also. Watch the video, then attend the meeting. You will understand very clearly. Twice you are learning. Okay, very good. Thank you, students.